Morning.
Yes, morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Welcome as you have been invited in this job interview. This is your time to respond about different questions in this job interview. Tell me about yourself.
Thank you. My name is Alisha Murikatete. I'm a student at Kepler Kiziba,
Yeah,
and now I'm working on my AA degree, associate degree in arts.
great. Tell me about your past work experience.
Yeah, I'm working as a computer safety manager, and I last 1 year and 7 months. Yeah, I got many skills, like communication skills, as I am required to communicate each and every issue that can rise to students. And I got many skills, like collaboration with students to know their issues.
Yes. So describe a time when you worked well on a team.
Thank you. I remember when we were working on benchmark assessment, we were working as a group, and I gave my mates, like my group mates, an idea of uh, selecting a sample size of interview, because this helped us, because we got information from few people, and yeah, those information helped us instead of going in each and every space.
Yeah. So tell me about a time when you had too many things to do and had to prioritize your tasks.
Yeah, thank you. I remember when we had an assignment to be submitted at 6,
Yeah.
and I have a task to keep all laptops of students and keep all cables. Yes, those tasks were required to be done at 6, and I had to close the campus at 6:30. Yeah, this challenged me because it seems challenging because I have to submit an assignment on campus and to keep all cables so that at 6:30 I have to close the campus. I take time to work on the assignment quickly, and I used like it was 5 p.m. and I worked as quick as I can, and I worked firstly on the assignment. When I'm done, I worked on those to keep laptops and cables. So I arrived at 6:30. All things were done, and I closed the campus on time.
Great. Tell me about a time when you had to go above and beyond the call of duty.
Yeah, thank you. I remember when my boss told me that yes, I was assigned to keep the laptops and
Yeah.
to charge the laptops, and uh, like yes, to take chargers and charge laptops of students. And my boss came to me to tell me that I have to participate in the ceremony that was going to take place. Yes, and my boss told me that I have to participate in that, to to prepare that ceremony, to know all things that will be needed in that ceremony. So I
Okay, how did you handle the situation?
yeah, thank you. How I handled this situation is yes, I told my boss that I'm going to try my best, because I saw that the laptops were all going to be charged to be plugged, and after plugging them, I helped my boss to prepare that ceremony, and we did it, and the ceremony goes well, and I plugged all laptops that was required to plug.
Okay. Tell me about a time when you worked effectively under pressure.
Yeah, thank you. When in the first year, in the foundational year at Kepler, we were all assigned to type 50 words per minute,
Yes.
and it was really challenging to me because I was not able to type even 10 words per minute. And my instructor told me that in this week, in 1 week, I have to type 50 words per minute.
Yeah.
I did many practices. I used different softwares to make practices so that I can make a goal of typing 50 words per minute. So I did it in 1 week, as I was taught by my instructor.
Okay, can you give me an example of a time when you showed initiative?
Thank you. In foundational year at Kepler, we got laptops, but we didn't have a worker like computer safety manager who can like take care of those computers.
Yeah.
Our instructors told us that asked us if there is someone who can like volunteer to keep those laptops safe and to make sure that they are safe. I volunteer in that, even though it was somehow hard. I tried my best to take an initiative of taking those laptops and to make sure that they are charged and to make sure that they are all in the campus.
Okay, good. So Alicia, is there anything else you would like us to know about you?
Yeah, thank you. I think that I would like you to know about me is that um, I'm a good collaborator and I'm a good communicator. Yes, I pay attention to detail.
Yeah.
That's all.
Okay, Alicia, let me appreciate the way you have participated in this job interview
Yeah.
and keep it up.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.